guys, sometimes I wonder that in LinkedIn, everybody is a LinkedIn expert, offering you services. And because of AI, like how I have connected with many of them as an academic interest, right? ये क्या बोल रहा है जरा सुनते हैं. And beautifully written thing, but when you connect with them, they can't speak, proper, I mean, they don't have proper communication. So they have just picked up stuff. So when I attended his program few days back, one thing which he didn't mention here, that with all his business experience and everything, he said, but I am Gujarati. So ultimately it's business, right? So the business has to happen. I mean, so it's like you could have people on LinkedIn with 5 lakh followers, but generating zero business. Or you could have people with 10,000 followers, but generating leads, which actually convert. But I think, and of course we are going to talk in more detail about some of the things, but one thing in this conference that I'm sure by now it has been clear, in any case with conversations with me from so many times in my infamous 7 o'clock webinars, all of you have at least understood one thing, कि वो एक प्रॉब्लम खोजे बिना गुजारा नहीं है. हर जगह वही है, right? Because the more things you talk about, let me tell you a case study, beautiful case study. Have you read this book? Have you heard of this book called Positioning? It's a very old book. The new version has come. I have not read the updated version. But in Positioning, they give examples. So, Xerox, at one point of time, launched office computers by the same brand. It failed. IBM launched photocopy machines. It failed. Because in people's mind, they can attach one brand with one product. So they gave a fantastic example of Heinz ketchup. You know Heinz? It was the biggest brand in US, 90% market share. Then what happened? That Heinz started making mustard sauce. They started making mayo sauce. And their market share of Heinz ketchup dropped by 50%. And when they did a study, they found out, I mean, at that time, there used to be shopping list. The husband goes to the supermarket to buy, I mean, the stuff, wife shopping. ऐसे होता था ना पहले. So the wife used to write 1 bottle of Heinz. तो पहले उसको समझ आता था कि 1 bottle of Heinz मतलब केचप. अभी वहां उसको 4 दिखती हैं बॉटल. So he gets confused that what does she want. So he picks up something else. So if you confuse, you lose. It is as simple as that. You must stand for one thing. And, it's like we talk about technology, how fast the technology is going. I heard from him as well, and I also talk about it, that in the last 1 year, there is more advancement in technology than probably what happened in the last 50 years. And now every year, it will be 10 times more than what happened in the last 1 year. In fact, I was reading somewhere, do you understand the term obsolescence? Something becoming obsolete, right? I read a report somewhere which said by 2030, the rate of obsolescence will be 72 hours. That what comes out today, in 3 days, it will be outdated. Something else will come out. But the funny thing is that while the technology may have developed so much, the human brain is still 5,000 years old. The brain still thinks the same way as it used to think. Brain has not developed. It is the same. So even here, asking a question. Even Neeraj showed many places in the banner headline, asking a question. Why asking a question is so important? See, everything has science behind it. You know, an average human being talking speed is about 120 words per minute. Average. An average human being listening speed is 500 words per minute. So what happens when you are talking to someone, that person's brain is only 20% occupied. Because your speed of talking, but his speed of listening is 5 times more. So वो बाकी brain इधर उधर घूमता रहता. आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, वो कुछ और सोच रहे. But all of us are conditioned since childhood that if somebody asks a question, you must answer. Because who asks questions? Parents, teachers, somebody with authority. That is ingrained in our mind, right? So if somebody asks a question, you must answer. So when you ask a question, then their 100% focus is on you, because that's what they are conditioned for. So these are some minor nuances, they are not minor actually, that you need to keep in your mind. Make sense? So घुमा फिरा के, even in the next session what we will talk about, what is that one problem? So that's the seed that we have planted in your mind. We'll keep growing that during the conference, post the conference. So I want to do one activity now. I mean, I have one session. So what I'll do, that we will start it, because you will have to do a lot of individual work on it. Then you will also have to do work with some group, maybe one table or maybe 2 tables can combine. So the way we will work this is that we will start the discussion, then we'll take the tea break. So carry your work through tea break, and by the time you come back from the tea break, we are going to. So from our discussion since yesterday, tell me, all of you, may not be refined, may not be final, do you have a semblance of the problem that you are going to solve and for whom? You have? And in the morning we discussed how you will create a landing page, how will you do everything, blah, 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 blah. So what we are going to do now is that for your customer, with whatever CTA, sign up or do this or whatever, your free workshop, whatever, to eventually sell your services, we'll make some ads. Right? Video ads. And I want you to actually record a video ad. Can you do that? Anybody scared here of recording video ad? Don't worry. You will learn. Everybody is scared when they do it first time. 1%, 99%. You remember we talked about the mindset of 1%, mindset of 99%. Lot of time people think that the 1% people who are very successful, they are never scared. They are always scared. As scared as the 99%. The difference is they still do it. So अभी जो ad बना रहे हो तो आप ही देखने वाले हो. So don't worry. By the time public will see its little journey. Some of you may be expert in that. So I am going to create, and like I said, that you don't know which ad will work. You don't know. I mean, it's so weird on Meta, because if you are going to sell a high ticket program and you want a lot of people to come to you, of course LinkedIn, depending upon your target market, everything will help, but you also need to, at some point of time, you want to scale. Or even for your posts, You need ads or video post. You can call it ad, you can call it post. How does it, what is the difference? Difference is CTA. If you say DM or link in the bio, it becomes a post. When you say click here or go somewhere, it's like an ad. I mean, you know, where you are taking them somewhere else. What will work? Nobody has a clue. Even the best of meta experts also cannot tell. Right? So if you market it well, people will buy. And let me tell you one more thing. So this is a real situation which I am telling you. So somebody very young was doing a session on a similar kind of a thing. How to write sales ads and things like that. And the people attending were very senior people. And this trainer was very young. So suddenly what happened, like we are in this conference room and having this, there were about 20 people, and suddenly she says, all right, so now let's do one thing, let's all walk down, take the lift, go down, let's go outside the lobby, and in that portico area from where the cars enter, let's assemble there. So everybody left. And they went down and they assembled. And then she went down and everybody is thinking, abhi kuch hone wala hai. And then she says, okay, now come on, let's go back up and take your seat. That everybody came back up and sat. These are senior people. So they said, iska kya matlab ho? Isn't kuch nahi hai, just wanted to show you, people do what they are told to do. No matter who they are. When you tell them to do something, they'll do it. So if you don't tell them what to do, if you don't tell them click here, do this, do that, give me money. आज यहाँ पे काफी लोगों ने मुझे बोला सब कुछ है, मेरा प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत शर्म आती है पैसे मांगने. नहीं आती है बहुत से लोगों का, कैसे बोलूं, तो बहुत अच्छा है प्रोग्राम. शर्म आती है मतलब हेजिटेशन. So call to action is very important. What do you want them to do? So the first session that we will have online after this, 7:15 baje. So in that you come with your problem statement, right? We will work with some live. Once, okay, tell your problem statement. We'll refine it. Because ye key hai. Main chabi. Does it make sense? Is it easier? क्या इतना कर सकते हो? क्योंकि आपकी लाइफ की स्टोरी तो मैं लिख के नहीं दे सकता ना. उसके लिए टूल नहीं हो सकता. ये मनोज दलाल है, इसकी लाइफ स्टोरी लिखो. ये लिख लो आप. बाकी सब कुछ अपडेट. आई नो इट साउंड ओवरवेलमिंग. And some of you might feel I am not from a technological background person. Let me tell you, I am probably the most technically challenged person here. Because you don't need. In fact, these things are created so that technology will not be a challenge for you.
You all know Chat GPT, right? Have you ever heard Chart GPT? He has charted the whole GPT. He knows in and out of Chat GPT now. So even Chat GPT can learn from him what exactly are the features of Chat GPT.
And it's simple. हम उसको complicated बनाते. आप सीख क्या है उसमें? Just have a conversation. You know what is the best way to get best information in this world? Be like an idiot. Ask as if you don't know anything. And you will get the answer. The minute you try to be smart, done, assign a role to ChatGPT. Think like Tony Robbins.
And just to add to this, the most strange thing that happens in our house is that he doesn't write in ChatGPT, he talks to the ChatGPT. So किसी को पता नहीं चलता है कि ये घर में किससे बात हो रही है अकेले अकेले. So sometimes I just have that doubt कि क्या हो रहा है ये घर में. Suddenly I realize that he's not talking to me. He's talking to somebody else. And when he's all alone in the house, like in the living room, he's talking. So sometimes I also get doubt that this could be out of some shock or some sort of, lack of rest or something like that. But then I realize that this is the audio version of ChatGPT. I am still supposed to find if there is a girl who answers the questions in ChatGPT or this is like gender neutral.
But just this thing, that's better, right? Now you don't even have to type. But don't activate voice mode. Because उसमें minutes बहुत कम है, वो run out हो जाएंगे. Do text, only say, it'll convert into text, push. So you will get answer. फिर इतना type नहीं करना पड़ता. So let's come back to the ads. How many of you have written your ad? Okay, so any volunteers start 2, 3, yes.
Are you tired of not getting the authority you deserve? Wait, I am Pooja Saxena and I am here to make you undeniable. No one can ignore your presence. Even everyone will remember you for the right reasons. Promises, promises, promises. I know you think these are just big words, but every entrance you ever made, every greet and meet you ever attended, that panic buying, pleasure buying, or gifted clothes you ever wore, left the breadcrumbs for your image to be created. How do you think if every step is curated by an image consultant who worked with CEO, VPs, and influencers will make a difference? If yes, you are at the right place. Let's do a discovery call and find out how high can you go, how high are you, and hi, how are you?
Some people, when they enter the room, they just own the room and everyone notices them, while others are ignored. Which one are you? Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Arora. I have helped 10,000 students and professionals, including leaders from JP Morgan, Sony, to improve their presence and confidence. I help you speak clearly, show confidence, and look like a leader people take seriously. Through my Inside Out leadership method, which builds your confidence from inside and helps you improve to communicate and present yourself. If you have ever felt ignored and you want to rise and shine in your life, this is for you. Tap the link below to connect.
You are not losing deals, you are losing rooms you were never invited into. If you run a B2B service firm and your best deals only come after multiple calls, after referrals, after someone vouches for you, that's the problem, because premium buyers don't want explanations, they want instant confidence. Here's the brutal part, your expertise is real, your results are real, your reputation after people meet you is very solid. But before that, your online presence makes you look like everyone else. So buyers hesitate. They take 45 to 90 days for the sales cycles, they compare you on your price, and the biggest opportunities quietly go to the firms that look more authoritative. So this is what no one tells B2B business leaders. In today's market, authority is decided before the first call. So here, with our Apex Authority framework, we identify those credibility leaks across your image, narrative, digital presence, and outbound systems, and deploy it across multiple right platforms so premium buyers self-select you. Comment referrals as well as B2B audit to book a call with me. Thank you.
The moment the spotlight
I am Rakesh
hits,
Agarwal.
your heart races, your knees lock, and you think, I can't do this. It's a common struggle known as glossophobia, but it doesn't have to define your career. Hi, I'm Poonam, and for 16 years I've been a certified soft skills trainer and specializing in public speaking. The truth is, most people aren't held back by the lack of talent. They are held back by the unlearned skills, and I'm here to change that. I offer a program that helps you go beyond just managing fears to transforming you from a nervous beginner to a confident, charismatic, and a memorable speaker. Connect with me or DM to get in touch. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me ask you a question. I mean, you guys did a brilliant job. I mean, as your attempt. Let me ask you a question. So let's understand what we are talking about. We are talking about selling a high ticket program, right? उसमें एंड में क्या होगा? आपको उसको कहीं ले जाना पड़ेगा जहां प्रोग्राम की इंफॉर्मेशन होगी या आपके इवेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, राइट? बिकॉज अदरवाइज वो कैसे आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या हो? ये नॉर्मली डीएम से नहीं होने वाला है. I mean, there has to be a link, click, because event is an ad, right? So you have to eventually run ads. We will talk about that. Even you can put on Insta also, link in the bio. I mean, like. What is the objective of the ad? This is where people get confused, most people. What is the objective of the ad? Objective of the ad is not to sell your program. It's to click the ad. The ad has to be interesting for them to click on the ad. Don't sell the program in the ad. वो तभी डिसाइड कर लेंगे whether it is worth it or not. एड का ऑब्जेक्टिव है क्लिक करे आपके लैंडिंग पेज पे आए, फ्री इवेंट का लैंडिंग पेज, राइट? लैंडिंग पेज का ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि वो रजिस्टर करे. फिर जो 3 डे इवेंट है वहां या 1 डे है या जो भी है वहां पे सेलिंग होगी प्रोग्राम. डज इट मेक सेंस? So keep the objective very clear to your product, because these ads are interesting and you don't have to think. You are using everyday items or everyday things to create ads. Yeah, so you don't need the pro version of ChatGPT to use these things, but you will need it to create your AI agent. Because free version doesn't allow you to create. So with that, I wish all of you all the best. And very soon next year we will have our 1 crore a year conference अलग से, right? उसमें वही लोग होंगे जो who have reached that level. So I hope we don't have to do that in a small cabin. We do it in a large hall. All you need is that fire, that wish, that desire, and the problem statement. And everything I'll help you. And anytime you need any help, I don't know how many of you know, I am just a DM away.